everyone, it's Sandra from Midwest Charm. I have a minor, small-ish thrift haul and yard sale haul between the holidays and a little medical emergency we had this week. I really didn't get out very much, so let me just shoot you what we've got. I will insert up in one of the corners, probably this one. We stopped at a yard sale and got a whole bunch of wood, including the most gorgeous porch post. And just some scrap wood that some of it is being used in the chicken coop for roosts, and some of it will be turned into signs and whatnot. So stay tuned for those future projects. Also at that yard sale, we got a ladder toss game with the golf balls. I don't know. I'll throw a picture up of that as well. And at that yard sale, I kind of got a twist, guys, because this is heavy and, you know, one arm thing doesn't work so hot. So got this door. Let me see if I can lift it off my lap. There we go. It is pretty cool. I love the chippy paint, the old nails, the works, the hinges, everything. So this will actually probably get made into some sort of a sign. I'll leave the cool hardware on there and just make it into a sign. We also, at that same yard sale, I got 2 vintage jars. These were $1.50 each. The door was $5. The wood, all total, the post was $20. The rest of the wood was $6. I got a fantastic deal on that because you can't go buy it for that right now. And then at that same yard sale, I got this crock for $3. I don't know if you can see, if it goes all the way through. There are some cracks and whatnot in it. There's one. I don't know what I'm planning to do with this yet, but it was a really good deal. And these actually sell really well. They look good with floral. They look good as is with rolling pins. I'm trying to see. All I have today is a baby rolling pin. But with rolling pins in them, utensils in the kitchen. But I'll probably do, if you watched one of my recent DIY videos, I used a transfer and put on the side of one of these, and it turned out super cute, sold immediately. So I may be doing that again. I have not decided yet. Let me move this stuff out of the way. And one other yard sale haul, I got this little toys for Char. They were 2 for $5. It was, most of the stuff at that yard sale was like resale. They bought on clearance or by the pallet, but I know some of it was clearance because I bought the same things. And then they were reselling it. But I got these for Char because they work really good for motivation for her. So these were 50 cents a piece. They're just crocheted dishcloths. And yes, I could probably do these myself, but when am I going to have the time? And then I spent $1 on this. The hearts, since one is already off, the hearts will get popped off there, and then let's look at new paint on it. So we'll move this stuff over. And I think the rest of this is from thrift stores. I had one thing from last weekend, and then the rest, I think, is this week. I don't know. So this is the most I've ever paid for a candlestick. It's ginormous. It paid $8.99 for it, but this thing is going to look amazing. It's going to have some chippy paint put onto it. I'm actually really excited about this. It's huge, huge. I got this little step stool for $3.50. I'm going to most likely shellac this, do some spray shellac on it, and seal in like the knots and stuff, and then chippy paint this as well. Milk paint. I'm gonna move this bag out of the way. I've got a wood jar, or wood lidded jar, $2.99. You guys know I love buying those. This Ray Dunn was $1.99. That is one side, and that is the other. And then I got this cute little, this is Hearth and Hand. This was $2.99, and it's just a little canister. I like the, around the rim here, you can see like it looks like lace. I really liked that. Okay, let me get this stuff moved a little bit better so they don't fall off my chair and break. And let's hit this bag. So this was today along with the step stool. I did get this little rolling pin. It's a lot smaller than a normal one. I did pay $2.25, which normally I wouldn't do, but it's cute. So got that. I got this little cloche. It was $5.75. The base will get painted up on this. I have not done one this shape before, so we'll see how this goes over. I like it. It's cute. And then we got 2 candlesticks. These were $3.50 for this pair. I just did similar, I guess they were even shorter, but similar ones, sized ones last week. And then we got this little, I don't even know, catch-all for in the kitchen. You screw them in or hook them into the wall. This will get chippy paint as well, and most likely something on the front, whether it's a transfer or a stencil or something. It'll get something on it. And then last, I think this is it. Last but not least, I got this from me. So if you notice, this is teeny tiny. It's a little cappuccino. I don't have any of these, and I don't know how I don't have any of these. I don't know if I'll be able to open this. Fiesta ware, in case you weren't aware. This is Fiesta ware, and it's just a little cappuccino cup. I paid $6.50, but it was 25% off of blue tags. There's our little saucer. And look. This probably won't even go in my cabinet. This will probably be put on top. It's super adorable. I love it so much. And I think that is everything that I had. I thought I had more, but apparently not. Please like, subscribe, and share. And we will see you next time. Bye.